let's learn about the places in school. Classrooms, where students learn and teachers conduct lessons. Library, a place for reading, studying, and borrowing books. Gymnasium, a space for physical education, sports, and sometimes events. Cafeteria, where students eat lunch and socialize during breaks. Emergency room, for students who are sick or injured. Hallways, the corridors that connect classrooms and other areas. Playground, an outdoor area for recreational activities and sports. Auditorium, a space for assemblies, performances, and presentations. Art room, a specialized room for drawing, painting, and other art activities. Science lab, where students conduct science experiments and learn about various fields of science. Music room, a place for music lessons, band practice, or choir practice. Computer lab, a place where learning activities are carried out using technical knowledge. Dancing room, a place for dance lessons and dance training. Parking lot, where staff and students who drive can park their vehicles.